In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PayPal account to Equity, KCB, or any bank correctly. Whether you're looking to streamline your financial transactions or ensure seamless money transfers, linking your bank to PayPal can make financial management much more convenient. This guide will walk you through every step of the process, making it simple and easy to follow. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the PayPal homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the login button prominently displayed. Click on that to begin. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and password. These credentials are the keys to accessing your account, so make sure they are entered accurately to avoid any login issues. Once you're all set, click login again to access your PayPal account. Now that you're logged into PayPal, you'll arrive at your account's homepage. From here, the next step is to navigate to the wallet section. You'll find this by looking at the menu usually located at the top of your screen. Clicking on wallet will take you to the section where all your financial connections are managed. Within the wallet page, look for the option that says link a card or bank. This is a crucial step because it opens the pathway to link your financial accounts to PayPal. Click on this option and it will lead you to another set of choices. Here, select link a bank account. Once there, you'll be prompted to provide some detailed bank information. Begin by entering the name of your bank. This is particularly important if you're dealing with local banks like Equity or KCB, so be sure to have that information ready. Following that, you'll need to input your bank code. Bank codes serve as identifiers for financial institutions, ensuring that your details match with the correct bank. Make sure you have the correct code to avoid delays or errors. Next, enter your bank account number. It's vital to double check this information before proceeding to ensure accuracy. Any mistakes here could lead to issues down the line, so take your time. After you've filled in your bank account details, click on the option that says link your bank. To finalize the process, PayPal may present you with additional prompts or instructions. These could include verification steps that may involve confirming small deposits in your bank account. Just follow these final prompts to complete the linking of your bank to PayPal. And that's it. You've successfully linked your PayPal account to your bank. Now you can enjoy the benefits of a more integrated financial setup. It's always a good practice to periodically check that everything is functioning smoothly, which ensures uninterrupted financial transactions. Thanks for watching, and happy banking!